Hi, my name is Michael and this is Claudia, and today we are going to learn choreography for the song of Meghan Trainor, I'm Gonna Lose You. Well, the rhythm of this song is very clear, it is even all the time, and we'll just count to 8 because the first part, the first stanza, takes 6/8. So let's have a look how it goes. So we are separated. We go around looking at each other. We will count it in a minute. And we will take 2 loose steps with a snap of fingers. So we have delicate intro next to each other. Then we are going forward. And we wind the lady. And we will rock a little bit. So it will be our intro before the next more dynamic part. Well, to make it easier while dancing, we'll just assume that there is our audience. So that all the beautiful figures would be visible for the audience. But to make it easier, we learn that our audience will be there, okay? So we start in such a way that the partner has his right cheek to the audience and lady left one. And with our first beat, we count to 8. So we take 8 steps going around. You may take a wider circle or you may just be somewhere among the guests and just start walking. So we take 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And both of us with our right leg take the first step, and accent with snap of fingers. Left leg. Step sideways and snap. And here we'll have the same steps. So let's practice with this snap of fingers facing the audience. So right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a prop, second prop, and we turn right. So prop, turn, and we go forward with our right leg. So let's do it once more. So right one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn 8 crosswise. And we just walk. We start walking with our right leg. So look, it is important here that after walking around, we just stay next to each other, and with these 2 snap of fingers, we approach each other. So, right leg, accent, second, accent, and we are facing the audience. Prop, turn, and we go forward. 2, 3, 4. And as we are going, you will hear the words walking the moonlight. So let's do it once again with counting. So 8 steps with right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take simple steps forward. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 side long so that the lady slides a little bit. Then I grab her waist. 5, 6. And the lady takes a swing. And with men's left hand and ladies' right one, the ladies come to form such a cuddling position. So once more, we took 4 steps, we stay arm in arm, swing, I hold lady's waist, and pull the lady toward me, so left turn, and we are landing on our left leg. Once more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we are landing on our left leg. Well, we cuddle here a little bit for a while. We are just rocking 2 slow and 4 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had the whole 8. All right, so once more. Well, you may turn a little bit so that after unwinding, our audience is over there. So they simply should see your faces. You can't stay actually in this way. Look, not in this way. So once more. So rocking, and you might just rock or join your legs. Right, left, left, right. Or you can just rock without joining in this way. So, 2 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we stay opposite to each other. So let's count once more from the very beginning. 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing. 5, 6. Turn. 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was our intro, and now we'll have the stanza, and 2 8 are left. And there will be this magnific moment in music, so there will be the chorus. Okay, so we'll show you how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we are cuddling. Well, it is not so much difficult as it looks. So your body weight is from one leg to the other, and here the legs, steps, are less important. More important are the hands. So let's start with ladies. Right hand and man's left one, so it is up, and the lady enters the window, turning right, but the second hand is just on your back, so you don't have to hold tightly. So we go, the lady curls a little bit, and they go back with a turn, but the partner is winding as well. So the lady hop, and the man under 2 hands goes left, hop, and we should have our hands crossed. Okay, so once more. So one hand is up, man's left one, lady's right one. The ladies go right, hop, and we go back the same way, turn, and somewhere in the middle, man takes his left hand and join with right one and turn left. Well, do not hold your fingers too much, not to twist or break them. So our hands are just open, so that our palms just move, and we have the contact, and at the end of this sequence, we just grab our hands. So once more, ladies, 1, 2, under one hand, 3, ladies turn, 4, men's turn, right. Our hands are double crossed, and now again, ladies turn right under 2 hands, turn, and swing, and we go back the same way. And the man finishes on high. So, man, you do not have much to do here. So once again, so curling here, here, and the lady turns twice. And from this double crossing, turn right. Our hands are not crossed anymore then. And ladies go back the same way, left, and the man gives high, and our second hand is at the bottom. So once more, look. 1, 2, we look at each other. Lady, 3, man. 4, lady. 5, 6, look at each other. 7, high, 8. So that was our first eighth. Well, look, even if you take a turn in one place, you just get back to form the same position. So we are on our high. So left hand is lower. Ladies, turn right. Under 2 hands, right. Then the partner turns under 1 hand left. Look, right hand to right hand on high, and left one to left one is up. Now the man turns left, and we face our audience. Once more, our hands are crossed. Ladies turn, and 1, 2, I go left, and the lady leads me somehow, and we form such a position. Well, the hand at the back is unimportant. I just turn the lady with my left hand, and left hand go. And the lady is just in front of me. And once more, let's start from this window. So, lady goes right. 1, 2, then 3, and man goes left. 4, and the lady goes right. 5, 6, then goes left. 7, high, 8, and we have changed our hands. So we go windmill. 1, 2, man. 3, 4, and I wind the lady, not with hands up, but with the elbow back. So, turn, 6, 7, 8, and we cuddle to each other, and there will be the chorus. So once more, a little bit faster. As to the steps, we just balance all the time. So just from one leg to the other. And when you turn, you may take more steps. Well, but you should get back to that initial position. Even if you take more steps, faster steps, you just turn, but you must get back to keep this balance with the music. Alright, so once more. So, 1, 2, turn, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So keep the balance from one leg to the other, so the steps must be really soft. Alright, now let's revise the whole part from the very beginning. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the partner grabs the lady in such a way from the back, and here the first stanza finishes.